Alright, today we're looking at a certified pre-owned 2015 Honda CRV EXL. It's got 18,000 miles on it. It's a touring edition. Okay, alabaster silver metallic in color. It's a Carfax one owner, local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it's got the nice chrome trim around the windows. It's also got the wind deflectors here. Turn signals in the side mirrors. It's got your lock, unlock button here in the door handles. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the CRV is in good shape. It does have rear backup camera. It is an all-wheel drive. Make our way down the passenger side. It also has a lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle. Turn signal in the side mirror. It's got your blind spot monitoring camera right there. Once again, it's a certified 2015. It's got 18,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. It's a local trade. Let's go and take a look on the inside. It's got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got the memory driver seat. Alright, got your econ button here, your lane departure warning, power liftgate, collision alert. Got your blind spot monitoring camera button right there. It does have a power driver seat. It's black leather. Alright. It's got the perforated inserts here. Front seat's in good shape. Got the keyless entry key fob. Got your heated seats over here with a power outlet. And in the center armrest, you've got HDMI hookups, USB ports, and another power outlet there. Alright, passenger seat leather's in good shape. It looks really well. Got the perforated inserts too. Alright, got the sunroof right here. It is an automatic. Got your push button start. Dual climate controls. Alright, it's going to have your radio display and backup camera and blind spot monitoring camera right here. Alright, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls here. Then the Bluetooth down here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 18,270 miles on it. Now that we've got the CRV started, we'll go ahead and show you these display screens. Alright, the upper one here's got the date, the month, the time. And then the lower one here has all the apps on it. So you got navigation, phone, settings, etc. Alright, we'll go ahead and activate the navigation. Alright, there's your navigation. We'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. And then your blind spot monitoring camera. And it's just a visual of your blind spot. You simply hit that button left of the steering wheel and it'll come on. That's a safety feature that Honda offers. Okay, come on down a little bit. Got your climate control area here. All right, dual climate controls. Got your push button start, automatic with the heated seats. All right, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back. All right, door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Let me go ahead and walk around, open up those doors. Get as much light in as we can. Alright, back seat carpet, like I mentioned earlier, is in good shape, no staining. Alright, back seat leather looks good. Just a little bit of an indentation in this back seat back here, probably where a car seat was buckled in there. Okay, but everything else is in really good shape. Center armrest comes down, got your cup holders there. Driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Spare tire, got the jack underneath there. Got your sunshade here. The CRVs have two handles on either side. You simply pull the handle, the seats will go down for you automatically. They'll just kind of flip down. Alright, you can see just how much it opens it up back here. Alright, the seats are very light, but they're very durable. Simply pull them up and pop them right back into place. It's got the power lift gate here as well, so you simply press the button, nice and smooth. Same thing for this seat right here. Simply just pull it up and lock it in, and you're ready to go. All right, 18-inch alloys, got the nice black trim. Okay, alloys are in good shape. Tires look good. Got plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, we got a certified 2015 CRV Touring, 18,000 miles, Carfax one owner, local trade. This thing's in really good shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.